Welcome to Brew Builds. I want to give you an update on the review I did on these Ridgid tools. I was starting to have issues with the batteries, and Ridgid does cover the batteries under their LSA warranty. So what happened? Let's find out. Here are the three Ridgid tools that I have purchased. The drill driver and the batteries are almost 7 years old. The multi-tool is about 5 years old, and the impact driver is 2 years old. I did a video reviewing these three tools and why I went with this brand, so be sure to check that out. I don't have any connection to Ridgid. They don't send me free tools, but they are welcome to. At the time of making the review video, I still hadn't used the lifetime service agreement that comes with these tools, and it covers the batteries. I was starting to have issues with the batteries. They would work, they would charge, they just wouldn't last very long, and under any amount of heavy load, they would die within minutes. Well, I didn't want to be without working tools, so I decided to send one of my batteries back and see if I could get it replaced or repaired. Ridgid has a lot of different warranties on their website. All tools are not created equal. Most of the corded and cordless hand tools come with a warranty Ridgid calls Lifetime Service Agreement, or LSA. I highlighted a few notes from the LSA. You can find more info on the Ridgid website. To accept this Lifetime Service Agreement, you must register your product and submit proof of purchase for processing approval. The LSA provides the original owner of qualified Ridgid brand tools a lifetime of free batteries, free service, and free replacement parts. The LSA is available free of charge. Once all conditions are fulfilled, the tool's service coverage lasts the lifetime of the original purchaser. The lifetime service agreement status on a tool is not transferable. It says the Ridgid LSA is only available for eligible Ridgid tools purchased at the Home Depot. So you may not be able to register for the LSA if you purchase that under the store. However, down here in another part of the website, it says tools purchased from the Home Depot and authorized retailers. I also read somewhere this is only good in Canada, USA, and Mexico. Also, this doesn't cover abuse, damage caused by the user, or normal wear and tear. You need to register a new product within 90 days, upload the proof of purchase, and enter some information from the box, so don't throw the box away. I recommend doing that as soon as you get home so you don't forget. If you're given the tool as a gift, make sure you include the receipt and the box, and make sure that they register their tool. It's easy to do. You just need to create a Ridgid account on their website and click on their Product Registration tab. I did this when I first purchased the drill and batteries, so I was able to click on the File a Claim button and get the process started. There are just a few steps and it didn't take that long to fill out. If your claim is accepted, you will receive an email in a couple of days with a FedEx label and shipping instructions. After about a week, I received an email saying that they received my package and I can now view the claim status online. Then about 2 weeks went by and I received another email saying that the replacement has shipped and it will arrive soon. 2 weeks went by and still no battery, so I sent an email and asked about the replacement. They replied, "Please disregard the previous email. It has not shipped, but it will ship soon." A week went by and still no battery, so I sent another email asking about the status. They replied, "We are sorry for the delay. We have contacted the warehouse and are having this order pushed for you." And another week goes by and still no battery, so I sent another email and I was a little more agitated, asking where my battery was, saying it's been almost 2 months and a tool without a battery is pretty worthless. Well, I'm happy to say that a battery arrived the next day. Then I received an email saying that the battery had shipped, and they included the tracking number for the battery that I had already received. So I'm pleased to say that the LSA did work for me on getting a replacement battery. I did have to be a little persistent. I don't know why it took 2 months, but I imagine that's probably about average. If you've had a different experience, leave a comment below. Well, I'm gonna go put this on a charger so I can go build something. Well, Actually, first, I should probably take this upstairs, register this as a replacement tool, then I could put it on the charger, then I could go build something. Actually, I should probably take this battery, start a new claim for this one, get it shipped off, then I could get this one on the charger, then I could go build something. Of course, none of this will happen until you hit that like button and subscribe to Brewbills. Did you do it? All right, anybody else? I'm gonna go, wait, last chance. I'm gonna go. Like, subscribe, all right, you got it? All right, thanks.